Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to write an equation in slope-intercept form and also how to identify the slope and the y-intercept. Here we have minus 4x plus 2y equals 10. This is a linear equation in standard form, but we want to convert this to an equation in slope-intercept form. And after we're going to identify the slope and the y-intercept. Now we'll first write the general formula for the equation in slope-intercept form, and that is y. The general formula is y equals mx plus b. So the point is, how do we convert this linear equation from the current form to the slope-intercept form? So this simply means that we need to solve for the variable y. So there we go. We have minus 4x plus 2y equals 10. For us to solve for y, we need to isolate the variable y, and to do this we need to get rid of 4x and 2y from the left hand side so that we can isolate y. So the first thing we need to do is we need to start from here. So how do we get rid of minus 4x from this side? We need to simply add the opposite, which is positive 4x. And when we do that on the left hand side, we need to also do the same on the right hand side. Remember, this is an equation, so whatever you do on the left hand side is applicable to the right hand side. So at the end of the day, this cancels out. Minus 4x, negative 4x, positive 4x cancels out. So I'm left with 2y on the left hand side and my positive 4x plus 10, as you can see. So we still have one more step. Remember, the general form is y equals mx plus b. So I need to make this equation exactly in this form. So to establish that, I just need to divide throughout. I need to divide both sides by 2, because this is multiplication here, 2 times y. So to undo this, I just need to divide by 2. So at the end of the day, I'm going to have y 2y equals 4x plus 10, dividing both sides by 2. This is going to leave me with let me continue here. Y will be equal to 4x divided by 2. Remember, everything on the right hand side is divided by 2. So I have 4x divided by 2. I'm going to be left with 2x and plus 10 divided by 2 as well. I'll be left with 5. So this is my equation in slope-intercept form. As you can see, it looks exactly like what I have in the general form. Now, how do I identify the slope and the y-intercept? Remember that in the general form, that is y equals mx plus b. My m here is the slope, and the b here is the y-intercept. So if that is the case, all I need to do is just to compare my equation, the equation I've generated in slope-intercept form, to the general form. So let us do the comparison now. Let me compare. So I have the general form, y equals mx plus b, and the equation I generated is y equals 2x plus 5. When I compare, this is what I have. My slope is equal to 2. And my y-intercept is equal to 5. Now, before you compare, you must make sure that the equation that you have generated is exactly like what we have in the general form. The operations applies. So my slope m is equal to 2 and my y-intercept b is equal to 5. Thank you for watching. If this video has been helpful, please, I would like you to like, share, and also subscribe. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.